This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you how to make a simple rose for your fascinator. You need ribbon, and the size of my ribbon is 2 by 4. The length of it is 4, while the breadth is 2. Then you take your ribbon. We are going to use 9 pieces. You cut into 9 pieces. All what you need for this work is your ribbon, your needle and thread, trim, you are going to design it, and your wax candle and your tape roll. First, take your ribbon, look, then you fold it in triangular shape like this, then fold it again, and see it, then hem it, bring it together, you draw your thread together, then tack it, to give you design like this. Take your scissors and cut the you can see it. Then secure the mouth with your needle and thread. Do another one. You can see it. Now you take your wax candle gum. Take your wax candle gum, you fix it. See, then you pick another 3. And cut the trim for the center. Put your wax candle. This will come at the center. After fixing it, get your suit wording and cover the back like this. It's already in the market, please. You can get it in Lagos Island and mainland market. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.